Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. And today we're going to be doing a cranberry cheese ball. Well, for Thanksgiving I bought a cheese ball at the store. It had cranberries in it. Well, I figured I'd try to do one here at home. So it's not going to be like the one I got at the store, but hopefully it'll be better. So here we're gonna put this together and see how it all turns out. So what we're gonna need is 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. So that's been sitting out for a while to soften it up. And we'll need a cup and a half of I got Coby and Jack cheese because it was the closest thing I could find for what I was looking for. I couldn't, any of the white cheese. I wanted the white cheddar, but the only white cheddar was way too much money, so I got the Coby and Jack, which I like Coby and Jack, so it's gonna turn out all right. Okay, then I want 1/3 of a cup of dried cranberries. So that's the dried cranberries there. And I got two 2-ounce bags of chopped pecan chips. So you're gonna need about 1/3 of a cup for the ball, and then you're gonna use some of the rest to coat the ball. So, and then I got some green onions. Gonna need 1/3 of a cup of chopped green onions. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop these green onions and get everything else set up, and then we'll put this ball together. So see you guys here in a few minutes. Okay guys, now we're gonna take the softened cream cheese. I cut it up into little cubes to kind of make it easier to mix in. And we're gonna put in the 1.5 cups of the Coby and Jack mix, and our 1/3 of a cup of cranberries, dried cranberries, and 1/3 of a cup of the chopped pecans, and 1/4 of a cup of the green onions. So this is going to be really good. So we're gonna kind of gently mix this in together. Alright, that's we'll just get it good mixed in together here. Just kind of gently fold it and getting everything mixed in pretty good. Alright. And you just kind of want to get it shaped into a ball. Alright. Now, let me wash my hands here. Okay guys, now we're just gonna grab this plastic wrap, and pull it out. Now, we'll put it in and wrap it up here, and it should, and this will help us make the ball shape a little bit better. And don't have to make it into a ball. You can make it into a log shape by rolling it, which will work just as good. Okay. Now, if you want at this point, you can put it in the refrigerator for a little bit to firm it up, or not. Saw recipes that say both ways, so when investigating and coming up with this. So, okay. So, alright. So what we're going to do, we'll pull this out, put that over here. We're gonna do our plastic wrap all out here. Go ahead and do our pecans here. Open them up, get our two. And get it, spread it out on this here. Alright, now we'll just take it and we'll just roll the ball. There we go. Alright, I think we got pretty good there. Alright, so next thing we're gonna, that gets that, we're just gonna take our tray and go ahead and plant it on our tray here. And for the next part, We got some Ritz crackers. So alright. We'll just take the Ritz crackers. All of them around here. Take the ones that are Oh, there we go. Well, I'll rearrange this. Okay guys, well, let me rearrange this and then we'll finish this up with the taste test part of it. So I'll see you guys here in a minute or two. Okay guys, this looks good. Look at that. Oh, nice looking cheese ball. Turned out great. So we're going to use this little knife here. And I'm going to just cut a little bit of it open here. We'll put a little bit on there. So, alright. Lay that down here and here we go. This is really good. Hey guys, and this was the pecan, or this was a cranberry cheese ball. Oh, pecans taste so good with it. All right, well. Okay guys, so if you've got a party coming on or you just want something as an appetizer for your holiday meal, this will work great out. So yeah, this is the cranberry cheese ball. So if you like this recipe, please comment down below. Give me a thumbs up on the video as well. Let me know that you like the recipe. And if you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturday, and I also do some sightseeing and adventure videos, and as well as some taste test videos. So hopefully I'll get some more of those out here soon. Been quite busy with a few other things, so. But okay guys, well, I'll see you in the next video. I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm going to finish eating this cheese ball and enjoying myself. Definitely better than the store.